how to permanently delete Instagram account. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Instagram app right here. And then once we are now here, just click your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. So click that one. And then on this part, just click the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner of the screen, which is right here. So click that. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do is to click on Account Center. So click on Account Center right there. And then in this part, just look for Personal Details. It is located under the account settings, which is right here. So click on Personal Details. After that, what we're going to do is to click Account Ownership and Control. So click that. And then once you're here, just click Deactivation or Deletion. After that, just choose your Instagram account right here. So click this. And then after that, you have two options, which is to deactivate and delete account. But since we want to delete our account, we're going to choose this and then click on Continue. After that, just choose the reason why you want to delete your account. So after choosing, just click Continue once again. And then after that, just scroll down once again right here and then click on Continue. Once you click on Continue right there, Instagram will now delete your account, and then that is basically it. So that is how easy it is. That is how to permanently delete Instagram account.